إنما الخلف الطيب منهم من اقتفى أثر السلف، هذا هو الطيب منهم.
Showing that each and every one of us should be concerned about the state of our hearts. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala rectify all of our hearts. He said, verily the heart's comfort, serenity and happiness, and the banishment of anxiety and sorrow is the goal of every individual. That's the second point. Happiness is the goal of every individual. Everyone desires happiness. And many people talk about happiness. The non-Muslims, they talk about it. You have philosophers, they've spoken about happiness. Thinkers, people of rhetoric. And most importantly for us, the scholars of Islam. And the scholars of Islam, they correctly concluded that the prophets of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala explain to mankind the correct way to attain happiness and to remove anxiety and depression and sorrow from one's life. Because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala sent the prophets with His message. And Allah Azza wa Jal, He created the whole of the creation. And He knows what will make them happy. And Allah knows what will make them sad. Allah Azza wa Jalla said, أَلَا يَعْلَمُ مَنْ خَلَقَ وَهُوَ اللَّطِيفُ الْخَبِيرُ. Does He who created not know? And He is the all-kind, the all-aware. Allah Azza wa Jalla, He knows what is going to make you happy. Ya Abdullah, Ya Amatallah. Allah knows what is going to make you sad. Ya Abdullah, Ya Amatallah. Sometimes we do not even know for our own selves. Yes, somebody may say, كيف ذلك? How is that the case? How many times in life have we made a decision thinking that that was a good decision, but it proved to be one of the worst decisions we've ever made? Sometimes we do not know what is good for us. Sometimes we do not know what is harmful for us. Allah Azza wa Jalla tells us that in the Quran. وَعَسَىٰ أَن تَكْرَهُ شَيْئًا وَخَيْرٌ لَكُمْ. Perhaps you dislike something, but it's better for you. Perhaps that you love something, but it is bad and it's evil for you. وَاللَّهُ يَعْلَمُ وَأَنْتُمْ لَا تَعْلَمُونَ. Allah knows, but you do not know.